This is my first purchase, Macadamia. It's an A38 grafted. A bit worried, and mostly it's around, it looks like it was grafted this way, and then it looks like there's a second graft that's coming off as the leader. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. There is growth there. It was $50 from a local nursery. It's actually quite a decent height. I'd say probably 1.85 meters. It's got some new growth there, which is good. I also got a couple of others. I got this one, which is, they tell me, a 660, and I can see that it's been grafted as well, and I think that this outcropping here is a 660, same as the rest, so we'll see how that goes. It does say it's a 660. It's got a bit of a lean on it. It's probably only about 1.5, but it's got a little bit of growth on it. And I got a Daddow, and so we'll see what that is. This one, yep, this one was grafted here, I can see that, and then it was stopped here, and then it's growing up nice. It's about 1.5, but it's been chopped at the top there, and it doesn't seem to have any new shoots on it. And then I got something Pinkaliciuos. I have no idea what this is. It doesn't really say, but basically this doesn't look like it's grafted at all. It's got some sort of a healing brown, like glue on it in a couple of places, so I'm not sure what that is. And it's been trimmed off so that the leader grows. It's a bit of a snake, and really massive straight leaves. So I'm going to do some research and find out what this one's all about. It's got some new growth on it, but it's about 1.85, maybe 2 meters tall. I'm going to have to stake these and put them in their pots, but this is just a bit of a video so I can see where I start, watch the journey and see what happens and see how we go. Oh, the very first one that started me off, and I should take this, is this little fella down here. Grew from a seed that fell into one of my tree pots, and very serrated edge. I don't know what it is. With the tree that it came from, the parent was very large, very untamed, and it was just ginormous. But it wasn't anything I knew anything about at the time, but got interested in it now, so I'll repot that and see how we go.